Hi everyone, in this video we'll discuss a unique feature of Kreo. Our Takeoff tool allows you to calculate properties which are not automatically given by Kreo in your model but are required for your activities. All of them can easily be added with several clicks by using Formulae in your report. Let's start from generating a default report and run one elemental breakdown structure suits us best. Now we are going to calculate the total of Thailand for concrete foundation slabs. For this, we need to open the Columns tab and switch on the Net Area cell, as well as add two more cells for rate and total, as we need to know the total net area of the concrete foundation slab and Thailand rate for calculation. Note that the formula won't be calculated if the value is not inserted in the cells you need for this calculation, so in our case we need to insert only rate's value, which is 15 pounds. Now let's click on the total cell and insert the formula itself, which is total equals to net area multiplied by rate. Start the formula with the equals sign and insert the properties in square brackets. So the formula is ready. If you need to change one of the values, the rate for instance, the formula will be recalculated as well. Kreo currently supports the following operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. Now let's calculate the total of reinforcement. Using volume, we can easily calculate this formula. We've already switched it on in the Columns tab, and what we need to do now is to add a new group into the report and rename it. We should also add the appropriate elements inside. Once all the elements are added to the group, we can calculate the sum of quantities for this particular group, as it hasn't been calculated automatically, and insert the rate after it. Now we can calculate the formula, which is total equals to net volume multiplied by 0.15 multiplied by rate. When adding numbers, make sure to insert fractional numbers using full stop as a divider but not a comma, as 0.15 in our case. Also, no need to use any brackets. And now, let's switch to the pivot mode. We'll see that all the formula added by us in the started mode are saved here. The same rule works for templates. Also, if we change any of the values here, the formula will be recalculated in started mode as well. We can easily make sure of it switching to the standard mode. Now let's look at using exponentiation calculating formulae. We can test this on calculating the section area for piles. The formula is section area equals to p number multiplied by 0.4 to the power of 2 divided by 4. Now that exponentiation itself is reflected in formula by a caveat sign. Thanks for watching and enjoy your working with Kreo.